Hello traders, the title of the video is how to simplify swing trading strategies on the daily chart. Let's get started. I'm on a monthly chart of Costco Wholesale Corporation, EPIC COST, Charlie Oscar Sierra Tango, belonging to the consumer defensive sector. And we want to talk about how to simplify swing trading strategies on the daily chart. Have you ever come across a very complicated swing trading strategy? Have you ever used a complex swing trading strategy? Do you still use a difficult swing trading strategy? Today, you have a good chance to start simplifying your swing trading strategy on a daily chart. So you may be wondering, Joe, you are talking about a daily chart, but you are on a monthly chart. All right, I will explain it to you why. There is a correlation between the monthly chart and a daily chart when we are talking about different time frame trading method. For a swing trader, there is no other way to swing trade. The only way to swing trade is to use a different time frame trading method to time the market correctly, accurately, or without leaving too much money on the table. By using different time frame trading method, we are controlling the risk, we are minimizing the risk, and we do not want to use too much pips. So you don't want to use 200 pips for your swing trade. All right, by using a different time frame trading method, you will be able to reduce the risk that you are taking. Instead of using a 200 pip stop loss, you may use instead 60 pip, 50 pip, 40 pip, 80 pip, or sometimes 100 pip, depending on the volatility of the financial instrument that you are trading, or depending on your own risk tolerance. All right. So the first thing that we want to do to simplify our swing trading on a daily chart is to go to the monthly chart. All right. And then we want to highlight the key levels on the monthly chart. Now, I have recorded a video today when I was explaining to traders. The title of that video was "A Swing Trader Explain a Clever Monthly Chart Swing Trading Strategy." All right. So in that tutorial, I was telling traders to highlight the high, the low, and the median line on the yearly chart before switching to the monthly chart. For this strategy, we will not use the high, the low, and the median line of the monthly chart, but we want to use only the key level. What do I mean by that? You see here, the price went up to this point. Okay, change the direction. So whenever on the monthly chart we see that the price did change direction, you see here it changed direction, we draw a line. That's the orange line on my chart. That's a key level on a monthly chart. Here you see it pulled back and changed direction here. That's the green line on my chart. So that's this one here. It went up here and changed direction. That's the red line on my chart. Okay. Now you can see here it went up all the way here, and then again it changed direction here. That's another key level. You can see that it went up all the way up here and it changed direction here. That's another key level. All right. Here you can see it went up all the way here. Okay, and then change direction. That's the dark green line here, and here you can see the change direction again here. That's the light green line here. The orange line that you see here, the price did change direction here, and here another orange line, the price did change direction there. So all we do care about on a monthly chart, we just draw those key level where the price did change direction. All right, the pivot levels on the monthly chart, and before we switch to the daily chart, we want to simplify our swing trading on a daily chart. But before that, we must highlight those key levels on the monthly chart because of the correlation between the monthly chart and the yearly chart. I understand that a lot of swing traders do not even look on the weekly chart. They don't even care about the monthly chart, and many swing traders never look at a yearly chart. It's a mistake, all right? But a lot of swing traders are using the daily chart as a trading setup. So they are looking for chart pattern swing trading setup on a daily chart. But in order to simplify or to improve or to enhance your swing trading on a daily chart, one trick that you can use, this is what I'm showing you here, draw the key level on a monthly chart, and then before you go to your hourly time frame, to your correction, to your daily chart, looking for your normal, a swing trading setup. So you can see that if you look carefully here, there were price reaction around those lines that we have drawn on the monthly chart. We can see some of them here on the daily chart. If you go to the 2-day chart, you see many of those lines. You see more line on the 2-day chart. So if you do not like the daily chart, you may use the 2-day chart. If you do not like the 2-day chart, okay, a better time frame, you can use a 3-day chart. So you see many lines on this chart. But as I promised you, we are talking about simplifying swing trading on a daily chart. I'll go back to my daily chart. On the daily chart, we are looking for, okay, bullish chart pattern, bearish chart pattern, and also for breaks above, retest, break below, retest. Those are the swing trading setup that we want to use on a daily chart, but we want to make sure that those swing trading setup, daily chart swing trading setup are occurring around the key level that we have drawn on a monthly chart. That's all. That will help us to improve our swing trading. So when we identify any swing trading setup on a daily chart that is on or near one of those key levels, the next step, which is very, very important for a swing trader, is to use a different time frame trading method without violating the trading triangle. The trading triangle consists of trading first the market, the S&P 500, then the sector before the individual financial instrument. The heart of the trading triangle is the market leader, the economy news, and the fundamental. But we don't want to dwell on that because I've already recorded a video about that. Okay, so we want to keep it short. All right. So looking on this daily chart, all right, what can you see? All right, we see, all right, price forming, price did form a double bottom in the vicinity of one of those key levels here. All right, and we can see again a triple bottom in the vicinity of one of those key levels. All right, here we see that people did sell the stock here before at a key level. All right, now we have a double top. So people also here are selling again in the same zone. So we have a double top around those key level. All right, here we can see that the price form breaks above a key level and retesting it. Those are the things we are looking for. So when it breaks above one of those key levels and finds support, we use a different time frame trading method to trade it. So in this case, we are using a daily chart for the trading setup. We will use the hourly time frame for the signal, and we will use the 10-minute time frame for the entry. All right, for swing trading, do not go below the 10-minute time frame, entry time frame. I would prefer that you enter your swing trade at least on the 10-minute time frame. All right, but if you want to break it down, you can break it down more to even to the 1-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame, but you can stop on the 10-minute time frame. So daily chart trading setup, hourly time frame for the signal, and 10-minute time frame for the entry when we are using the daily chart for the trading setup. But in order to simplify our daily chart swing trading strategy, we are looking for high probability trading setup that are occurring at a key level belonging to the monthly chart. All right. Now, another thing I want to mention to you here, very quickly like this, is that whenever you draw the line like this, you see here, you do not have to just be aware of the middle line of two lines. So you see the orange line and this line, those are key levels that we have drawn on the monthly chart. Just be aware that the line that is dividing two lines, which is the median line, is also a key level. So you can see that that's why the price try to come near the median line of those two key levels. But I don't want to draw it, but I want you to be aware of it. That's why sometimes you may see that the price may go below a key level and will stop nowhere. You may say this is nowhere, but just understand that you see here, anytime you see two lines, two key level, just remember that the median line is also a hidden key level. Sometimes the price will prefer that median line instead of the normal key level that you already have on your chart. But I do not want you to get confused, so therefore I will remove those median line on my chart. So we concentrate only on the normal key level that we have drawn on the monthly chart. All right? Breakable retest, implement different time frame trading method to control the risk, and do not violate the market pattern, which means do not violate the trading triangle. If the S&P 500 is bearish, don't use your bullish watch list. All right. If the S&P 500 is bullish, use your bullish watch list. Flow with the S&P 500, which is the market. All right. If the sector is booming, is bullish, do not trade your bearish watch list. All right. Otherwise, you'll be fighting the crowd. People want to buy in that sector, and probably you are the only one that is trying to sell. All right, so this is about the trading triangle. But going back to the bread and butter of this tutorial, how to simplify swing trading strategy on a daily chart, we want to use our normal trading setup on a daily chart, but we want to just make sure that those trading setups are occurring at a key level belonging to the monthly chart. Once we identify any of those high probability trading setup at a monthly chart key level, we will now implement a top-down trading method to trade it. By implementing a different time frame trading method, we are controlling the risk, and we want to time the market accurately so we do not have to use too much stop loss. All right? Very simple and very powerful. So I hope with this information you will start applying you'll start simplifying your swing trading strategy on a daily chart. And most importantly, if you were not using a different time frame trading method, I recommend that you start using different time frame trading method as a swing trader. The only way to swing trade like a pro is to use different time frame trading method in conjunction with the trading a triangle. All right. So you want to swing trade, you want to remain in the market for a few days, you want to check the economy news relating to Costco Wholesale Corporation, you want to check the S&P 500, is it at a resistance level? Is he exhibiting a high probability bullish trading setup? Well, if that's the case, don't sell anything that belongs to the S&P 500, all right? Because if the market is going up, you will drag many stocks together, all right? So you want to be aware that you are trading first in market, and then if the sector is booming, don't go around, okay? Sector is bullish, don't go around selling that sector at all. Look for a sector that is bearish. If you want to buy, look for a sector that is bullish, all right? And concentrate on your bullish trading setup. By doing those verifications, like a pilot, I recorded a video recently, and I say that a swing trader compare swing trading, a swing trader to a pilot, and I posted that video at a 2 for a stock trader, a YouTube channel. All right, so check it out. The comparison between a swing trader and a pilot, the verification that you need to do, okay, the precaution that you need to take before you start swing trading. There are similarities between how a pilot will take off and land the plane to a swing trading. All right. Very simple, very powerful. So here we have a double bottom in the vicinity of a key level, almost near the median line, that is dividing those two key levels. I'll be happy to trade this one here. I will use a top-down trading method to trade it. Here again, you can see here in this session here, very simple for swing trader on the daily chart. Breaks a bow, it's happening all over the place. Breaks a bow and retest. Now, this is a swing trading strategy, all right? You implement different time frame trading method, take it to the next resistance level, cash out. Wait for the next move. If they sell it here before, there's a high chance that they will sell again there. You see, they bought it here, they bought it again here, and they bought it again here. There are videos at the 2 for Stock Trader YouTube channel where I'm talking more about swing trading. So we cannot cover everything in this tutorial. All I will say to you, look for the swing trading playlist at the 2 digit 4 Stock Trader YouTube channel so you may understand everything about a swing trading. But in order to simplify once and for all your swing trading, your daily chart swing trading strategy, use the key levels on the monthly chart and look for high probability trading setup around those key levels, i.e. bullish chart pattern, bearish chart pattern, and also breaks a bow, break below, breaks the bow, retest, turn around, break below, retest, turn around, and implement different time frame trading method to trade. That will help you to simplify your swing trading because you are trading the price instead of trading the technical indicator. Even if you are using a technical indicator and the technical indicator is giving you a bullish signal, make sure that the price is confirming, okay, the technical indicator, and you want to make sure that that is happening around a key level on a monthly chart. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to put in a comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. All these videos that we are posting daily on our channels are due to the question that traders were asking, okay, the comments, okay, the suggestion that traders are making. So we encourage traders, if you have anything to say, just say it and leave it there, and we take care of the rest, all right? If you think that this video has been useful to you, all right, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that, George, I love you very much, that this is another blah blah blah, let us know by giving us the thumbs down, all right. But if you think this is an essential tutorial that other traders may know, give them the signal, okay, by sharing it on Google Plus, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. This is the end of this tutorial. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to simplify swing trading strategies on the daily chart. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.